I got to ask the question then. Before we got out on the water today, the thought was, man, I'm going to sell this boat. What are you thinking now?
No, I'm not selling it.
I'm
keeping it. No, it's proven that it will make boating so much safer and easier for friends and family, pleasurable.
Yeah.
Taking those long rides out, going fishing in conditions that you normally wouldn't go out in.
Yeah. Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we are on a SeaPro 242 DLX. My friend Chad here, former jet boat owner. He's gone to the dark side. He went the outboard route, and he called us up and said that his boat was not handling like he wanted it to handle. He was frustrated and I mean on borderline about ready to sell this thing, weren't you?
Yep.
And said, let's put a Seakeeper RIDE on it and let's see if that will save the day. Well, what's the verdict?
Worth the money, every penny. Game changer.
It was night and, I mean, I get tired of saying this. I know you're tired of hearing this, night and day. Game changer. Those are the catchphrases everybody uses. But what else do you say? I mean, you get out there, you turn the system off, and when I would say on, you're gonna see on camera in a minute here, when I would turn the system off, Chad would go, no, don't do that. Because you're getting ready to get your butt kicked. And you turn it back on, it's just a nice cruise. And we're out in some rough stuff. I mean, 16 mile an hour sustained winds, 25 mile an hour gusts. We were routinely seeing 2 foot plus chop and probably some 3-footers out there we got into.
Just turn it off and all of a sudden you go, man, I forgot it's not that. Yeah. Really need to hang on. Yeah. I'm gonna pick it back on. Yeah, right, come on.
The kind of day where we talked about it, you probably would have said, I'm not going out today.
Typically, no.
And then we were doing 30 mile an hour and I said, hey Chad, is this something that you would go out? He said, if my kids really wanted to go fishing, we'd do it. You feel this confidence because, man, it's not beating you to death. I was blown away. I mean, absolutely blown away. Every time I do this, I know I say it all the time, these things never cease to amaze me. What else you think? Any other comments?
Well, they call them attitude adjusters, and that is exactly what happened out there today. Like, it was very nasty. It was in following seas, head on. I don't have to work as hard to drive the boat with the Seakeeper on versus it off. Yeah. I don't have to adjust trim tabs constantly.
Right.
I don't have to constantly steer left and right. I don't have to hold on for dear life. So when you turn it off and you really feel what the difference is, and you have to hang on, and then you hit the button and turn it back on, and the boat just smooths out, levels out, and you're really kind of shocked that you're in the conditions that you're in.
Yeah, yeah.
And it game changer.
That's amazing. There it is again. That's that game changer.
It is.
I'm telling you. I got to ask the question then. Before we got out on the water today, the thought was, man, I'm going to sell this boat. What are you thinking now?
No, I'm not selling it.
I'm
keeping it. No, it's proven that it will make boating so much safer and easier for friends and family, pleasurable.
Yeah.
Taking those long rides out, going fishing in conditions that you normally wouldn't go out in.
Yeah.
So no, I'm not selling the boat now.
That's great. Well, I'm glad to hear that. I'm glad this worked out well for you. We appreciate you watching this video. If you've got questions, comment below. We love to answer those questions for you. And by the way, if you like this video, check this one out.